Hi there, this is Mark McRae, and I've been helping businesses make more money for over 20 years. And one of the easiest way to impart that knowledge of how to make money is actually in books. And it's an observation that most people seem to miss, that everything you will ever need to know is in a book. Everything you need to make any amount of money is in a book. Everything you need, all of the skills that you need, can be found in a book. And yet people are ignoring books more and more and more and more. Most people are actually, if they do read, and that's becoming a sort of a scarce thing now that people are doing, they have 3 or 4 books on the go. So, and they never read them all the way through. It's too easy to go onto YouTube and other social media channels to try and get the information. But the reality is, the best value for money you will probably ever get is to buy a book. And not only are books a great resource for information, they're there forever. You can refer to them, you can go back to them. And I can't tell you how many times I've seen a course that's been sold for $5,000, $10,000, and this thing is padded to death. It's got 40, 50 videos. And the reality is, you could go to Amazon and buy a $20 book and get the same information. So don't forget books. I'm a great book reader and lover. I try and read a book a week. Some books are a bit harder to get through than others, but I think it's the almost forgotten secret weapon in business nowadays. Thanks for listening.